Suspect in Charlie Kirk killing in custody. Where things stand. Just in, the suspect in the killing of Charlie Kirk is in custody, officials just announced in a news conference. The suspect, identified as Tyler Robinson, reached out to a family friend who then contacted authorities, Utah Gov. Spencer Cox said. Robinson spoke negatively of Kirk before the shooting, a family member told investigators, the governor said. President Donald Trump earlier said he believed with a high degree of certainty that the shooting suspect had been apprehended. Trump says Charlie Kirk shooting suspect in custody. President Donald Trump suggested Friday that the suspect in the Charlie Kirk shooting is in custody. He said that someone very close to him turned him in and said that it would be announced later Friday. He appeared to indicate that the person was found via a minister who ultimately got the person's father involved. It was a minister, and the minister went to a friend, a minister who's involved in law enforcement, by the way, and his good friend is a top U.S. Marshal, and they took it from there, and then it was a father got involved. The president declined to say whether the father was aware of his son's alleged crime. The president added, "We have the person that we think is the person we're looking for, but they drove into police headquarters and he's there." But he cautioned that the news was subject to change. State and federal officials will hold a news conference this morning on the manhunt for the person who killed conservative political activist Charlie Kirk, the Utah governor's office announced. Utah Governor Spencer J. Cox, FBI Director Kash Patel, Utah Department of Public Safety Director Bo Mason, and FBI Special Agent in Charge Robert Bowles are scheduled to be in attendance. Authorities have been searching for the shooter and released footage they said shows the suspect fleeing after the killing of Kirk.